signature right here, right? Has an F sharp in the key signature, which is pointing towards the key of the whole song. The key is G. Go ahead right now and just look it over and circle all the F's to kind of remind you that when you get to that note, it will be sharp. So for instance, right here on this line, on the very first line, on the right hand, I don't see any F's, right? But on the left hand is right here, there's an F. On the first measure, there's an F. On the third measure, measure 5, there's an F. And then notice that on measure 6, that finger 5 is circled. You're gonna have to stretch just a little bit to get to that B. And then, if this is 5, you're gonna play finger 4 here and play finger 3 here. And then when you get to the next line, that G is just gonna be one note off from your thumb. So not too far, but your thumb is moving a little bit. Here we have another F, that would be sharp. Here we have another F, that would be sharp. And then here, the last line, there's a law going on there, a lot. So when we get there, we'll talk about that. All right, so we have here on the right hand, start off a G major triad, and the left hand, a G. In this song, the melody is actually on the left hand. So let's try to play the right hand really softly and the left hand louder, so the melody comes out a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, messed up, Carmen. The opposite. 2, 3, 4. Measure 5. Stretch to B. And now this line is a mess. So I don't know if you did separate hands at first here or not. Now let's do separate hands, just the left hand first, and then we'll put the right hand together, and then we'll play the whole thing again so you can try the other hand, and then we're going to play one more time for you to put hands together. So measure 13, left hand, first note is a G, right? Then the pinky stretches down just a little bit to get to this B, up to C sharp. The next note is a D with the thumb, and then it's down to C natural with finger 2, skip down, and step down all the way to G2 of the piano. Let's play that again, just the left hand one more time. Measure 13, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. If you want to add the right hand, you can. If you want to just do the left hand, this one more time, that's fine. But the right hand, it will have a G major chord. Then the thumb goes down to F sharp to play this weird chord here that we could consider to be like a D7, and then back to G. Measure 13. Again, feel free to just do left hand if that's what you want to do. 1, 2, 3, 13. All right, let's play the whole thing one more time. If you were just doing one hand, switch to the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. coming up. All right, take a moment now.